Let's create a new patient in Siren Field User. Enter a chief complaint and select a receiving facility . Wait for the data refresh on Hospital Notification Board to finish. And you can now see a new patient with a chief complaint of cardiac chest pains. Now let's see what happens when you need to make changes in Siren Field User to an inbound EPCR for this hospital. First, let's change the patient's name from James Murray to George Murray. Wait for the data refresh countdown to finish on Hospital Notification Board. And the patient's name has now changed. Now let's change the patient's chief complaint from cardiac chest pains to cardiac arrest. In this Hospital Notification Board, cardiac chest pains are customized to have an orange row color. Cardiac arrest has a red row color. Wait for the data refresh countdown to finish. You will now see that the chief complaint is now cardiac arrest and that the row color is now red. Now let's change the patient's estimated time of arrival. Wait for the data refresh countdown to finish. You will now see that the ETA has changed. Now let's look at what happens when an ambulance is redirected to another hospital using Hospital Notification Board. In this example, the paramedic is changing the receiving facility from Sisters of Mercy to Memorial Clinic. Sisters of Mercy's data refresh occurs automatically every 15 seconds. Once the next data refresh occurs, the patient is removed from Sister of Mercy's Hospital Notification Board. Since Memorial Clinic has their own Hospital Notification Board, the patient appears on Memorial Clinic's Hospital Notification Board after the next data refresh occurs.